Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 82 of Surah Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الذين آمنوا ولم يلبسوا إيمانهم بظلم أولئك لهم الأمن وهم مهتدون. الذين Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with lam will get sifa up tawassut for fatha open your jaws the sound is short the gives zaba in dal when you're engaging makhraj nicely for dal then it the zaba is there the na for fatha open jaws the sound is short two counts long ma for fatha open your jaws the sound is short no two counts long for Dhamma, circle your lips. Wa, makhraj of your circling your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Lam, for fatha, open jaws. Attach it meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Yel, ya is light. For fatha, open jaws. Attached lam will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is just when you engage the makhraj nicely. That's it. The tawassut should not touch the boundary of rakhawa. It's short. Yelbi for kasra give e sound. Su for the circular lips. Make it four counts long, and that long vowel should not go into your nose at all. Su e two counts long. Ma two counts long. Na for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Hum ikhfa shafawi. Hold the sound in your nose for longer time. Hum bi for kasra give e sound. Dhul although is heavy for the circular lips attached. Lam will get sifa of the busut. Dhul min for kasra give e sound. This the sifa is the wasut and hukmuhu idhar. Min u for the circular lips. Look, this is uh, sifrul mustadir. This is circled sifr, so we will not pronounce it either ways. We don't apply pronounce it when we are stopping or we are continuing our recitation. Very short sound. Ula mad muttasil wajib, four counts long, or you can make it five counts long. La e for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Mul for the circle lips attached with lam will get sifa up tawassut. Hamza sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with meme will get sifa up tawassut. No for the circle your lips. The sound is short. Wa makhraj of always circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. Hum idgham shafawi. You're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mu for the circle your lips attached with ha. As you will touch ha, your lips should be in a straight position. It should not be in your circled mode. Mu ta is sharp. Doon. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukun noon. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. It can be four counts long, it can be two counts long, or it can be six counts long. This is mad arid lis sakun. This is your choice. But in one sitting, you will choose only one count. Like it should be four counts long. If you are sitting in one, you are reciting, and you chose to say this madarid lisukun four counts long, then you are applying this four counts long on every step, every madarid lisukun. Muhtadun. مخرج of pause. Circling your lips with fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Til for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa up tawassut. Ka for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hud, ha. In ha, give hams, and it should be from your throat. The circular lips attached with jim. As you will touch jim, your lips should be in a straight position. Hud, ja, ja. Jim is sharp letter. There should not be any hums or flow of sound or breath. Otherwise, it will sound like ch. So it should not sound like ch. It's j. Hujja, hujja, ja. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Tu for the circular lips, the sound is short. Na mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 or 5 counts long. 2 counts long. Tai, this is yailin. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, here you are making the sound very soft. Tai, na, 2 counts long. Ha, mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 or 5 counts long. Ib, Hamza is sharp, focus ragib E sound attached ba. Ba will get a very nice qalqala. It is not only talamus, it's not only the touching, but it's a very clear taba'ud sound. Ib, Ib. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Here it is heavy, and make it 2 counts long. Ra, and make sure whenever you are making any letter heavy, you are not circling your lips, but you are just lifting your tongue up to make it heavy. He, 2 counts long. Ma, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. A, ain from your throat, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. La, 2 counts long. Qaw, Qaf is heavy. Qaf is a heavy letter in Quran. Don't miss making it heavy. And wow, this wow is wow lean. So make it soft. When you're attaching fatha with wow, when you're making fatha with wow, you are making it soft. Qawmi. For kasra, give e sound. Attach it ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa because it is with sukoon now. Qawmi. Now keep noon light but raw heavy because there is fatha before it. Now fa is short. For fatha upon jaws. Ru, ain from your throat. For dhamma, circle your lips, and the sound is short. Da is short. Dal is short. Uh, the sound with fatha on dal is short. Ra is heavy because there is fatha on it, and ra is short and heavy. Ja, 2 counts long. Team, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Man, this is idgham 2 with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Sha, make it 4 counts long because this is mad arid lis sakun. And whenever this situation comes, what is the situation? Like you are stopping on hamza at the waqf, okay, and there is mud letter before it. If there is a mud letter before it and you're stopping on hamza, you're giving nabar, and nabar is jump of sound. Nasha, in hamza is sharp for kasra, give e sound, and noon is has akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Rab, ra is heavy for fatha upon your jaws attached. Ba will get sifa of shidda. There is no flow of sound. Rab, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Ka for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short and light. Ha with hums from your throat, and for fatha the sound is short. Ha, keep kaf light and make it 2 counts long. Mun, sifa is tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Lim, because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 or 5, 4 or 6, or 2 counts long. Yes, you can make it 2 counts long, you can make it 4 counts long, or you can make it 6 counts long. But we are choosing to make it 4 counts long, so make it 4 count long here. الذين آمنوا ولم يلبسوا إيمانهم بظلم أولئك لهم الأمن وهم مهتدون. وتلك حجتنا آتيناها إبراهيم آتيناها إبراهيم على قومه نرفع درجات من نشاء إن ربك حكيم عليم. ومخرج of circling your lips for top and just the sound is short. Same here. Have ha is for fatha open jaws attached. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. This qalqala should be very clear. The tabaud is making a very clear sound. Have. First, you are giving shidda on ba because ba is among shidda letters. You close the makhraj strongly and then you let it open. Have. Na, 2 counts long. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hu, mad, matsila kubra. This is matsila kubra, so make it 4 counts long. Hu is for kasra, give e sound attached with seen. Seen will get sifa for khawa. It is light and it has safir. Is ha, give hams in ha. It should be from your throat and make it 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy. Make qaf heavy. It cannot be light at any time. Wa, makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Yeah. Keep ya light for fatha open jaws attached to the ayn. Ayn will get sifa of tawassut, and ayn should be from your throat nicely. Ooh. Qaf is heavy for dhamma circle your lips, and because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon on ba. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. And as you know that this is mad arid li sukoon, you can make it 2 counts long, you can make it 4 counts long, or you can make it 6 counts long. But we are choosing to make it 4 counts long, so we are making it 4 counts long here. وَيَعْقُوبَ, and give qalqala on ba because it is with sukoon now, and qalqala should be very crisp and nice. Kullan, for dhamma circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Kullan, and this and after that this is this has idhar. So hukmuhu idhar and sifa is tawassut. Kullan, ha for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Day, this is yailin, so make it soft. And yes, na, 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj of waw circling your lips, fatha open jaws. Nu, for dhamma circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Han, sifa is tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Ha is short for fatha open jaws. Day, this is yailin. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, here you are making the sound soft. Day, na, 2 counts long. Nia, for kasra, give e sound and then make ikhfa, because when we are making ikhfa, we ignore the haraka before it. Make sure you give e sound for kasra and then make a heavy ikhfa. Why it's heavy? Because qaf is among heavy letters. Nia, nia. Your tongue should be lifted up nicely to make this ikhfa, and then qab. Qaf is heavy. Fatha upon just attached ba. Ba will be light. When you are making qaf heavy, you are not making ba heavy too. So keep ba light, qab. And then because of this waqf, you are giving tawassut on lam because it is with sukoon now. Qabl. First you complete ba with qalqala and then give sukoon. The trick how you can fix this waqf, just put your hand on lam as if it's not there and then say qab and then remove your hand and give tawassut on lam. Qab, qab, وميا ومخرج في واو circle in your lips فتحة open jaws ميا. This has إخفاء. For kasra give e sound first and then make إخفاء. This إخفاء is light, so make your tongue straight and keep your tongue ready to say the letter ذال. ميا ميا دري. For Dhamma, circle ellipse attach it ra, ra will get sifa of the wasud. Durri. For Kasra, give E sound, ra is light here. Attach it ya. Ya will get rakhawa. First, don't ignore rakhawa and it will get nabar. Nabar is jump of sound and rakhawa is the flow of sound. So, make sure you are keeping the sound and the sound should flow and the number should be there. Dhurriya, dhurri. Here, when you're attaching ra with ya, here you're giving number. Riya, ti for kasra. Give e sound. He 2 counts long. Matsila, sughra. Da 2 counts long. Woo for Dhamma, circle ellipse and give the sound of wow. This is wow. This is not oo. It's not the ooda. It's the wooda. This is wow. And it wow has Dhamma. So the sound of wow should be there. Woo, 2 counts long. Da, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Wa, makhraj of wow, circling lips, fatha open jaws. Su, for Dhamma, circle ellipse, the sound is short. Lay, this is Yailin. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, here you are giving softness. Lay, ma, 2 counts long, and the long vowel should not go into your nose. Ma, na, for fatha open jaws. Wa, makhraj of vaw circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Ay. Keep yes, keep the hamza sharp and attach it ya whenever wow and ya are with tashdid, you are giving number and number is jump of sound. So when you are attaching hamza with ya here you are giving number and there should be a flow of sound because ya is among rakhawa letters. Ay, you. For the master let's make it 2 counts long. Ba, for fatha open jaws. Wa, makhraj of always circling your lips. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Why I keep on saying the makhraj of always circling your lips? Because many people use their teeth to pronounce wow. And that is not a right way to say wow. Just circle your lips, don't use your teeth, and this is the way we say wow. Wa, you, yeah, it's light for Dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Su, for Dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short. Fa, give hums. Whenever you look at fa, you're giving hums, and hums is flow of breath. Fa, wa, makhraj of waw, circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Mu, 2 counts long for the circle lips. Sa, 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj of waw, circling your lips, fatha open jaws, ha, 2 counts long, urun. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 count long vowel into 4 counts long. This is mad arid lisakun. Mad arid lisakun can be long by 2 counts or 4 counts or 6 counts. وهارون ومخرج of pause. Circling your lips, fatha open jaws. Ka. Kaf is light for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. When kaf is is mutaharrika, it has fatha, dhamma, kasra. It has no humps. Humps is flow of sound. Here it is very clear. Ka. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha open jaws. Naji for fatha open jaws attached with jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala. Naji. Zil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Muh for dhamma circle ellipse attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa and it should be from your throat and it has hums. Muhsinin. Because of this buff, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukun. It can be 2, 4 or 6 counts long. وَوَهَبْنَا لَهُ إِسْحَاقَ وَيَعْقُوبَ كُلًّا هَدَيْنَا وَنُوحًا هَدَيْنَا مِن قَبْلُ وَمِن ذُرِّيَّتِهِ دَاوُودَ وَسُلَيْمَانَ وَأَيُّوبَ وَيُوسُفَ وَمُوسَى وَهَارُونَ وَكَذَلِكَ نَجْزِي الْمُحْسِنِينَ. ومخرج of vowel, circling your lips of fatha open jaws. Za is sharp sound. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Kaf is light. For fatha open jaws. Riya. For kasra, give e sound and ra is light here. As you will touch ya, you will give nabar and rakhawa. Don't ignore rakhawa as you are giving jump to the sound. As there is nabar, you are not ignoring rakhawa. The sound should flow nicely. Yeah, and then it is 2 counts long after that. Wa makhraj of waw, circling your lips of fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Yeah, yeah is light for fatha upon jaws attached. Ha, ha will get sifa of rakhawa and hums and it is light. Yeah, yeah. 2 counts long. And makhraj of waw is when middle part of your tongue is lifting up towards your palate, but it is not touching. That is that is ya, and ya has not u sound. It's not very sharp. It's very soft letter. Yeah. Wa makhraj of waw, circling your lips for top in your jaws. The sound is short. Ain from your throat. Make it 2 counts long. Sa 2 counts long. ومخرج of waw, circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Il hamza is sharp for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Yes. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lisakun. You can make mad arid lisakun 2 counts long or 2 counts long or 4 or 6 counts. It's your choice. Wa ilyas, and as you can see, seen is with sakun now, so you will give rakhawa here, and seen will get sifa of safir. Kullun. For Dhamma, circle ellipse attached with lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position first because the first lam is with sakun. Here on kaf, you're giving Dhamma. your lips are circled. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position first, kul, and then there is dhamma, so you will circle afterwards and then attach with mim. Kullum. This is idgham, so you are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Lum, this is idgham. And mi, for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Nas, keep noon light, but sad is heavy. Ha, sad will get sibab. Rakhawa, it is heavy and it has safir. Nassa, sa, two counts long. Li, for kasra give e sound. Sheen, because of this waqf. This is the waqf. And because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad adat lis sukoon. You have choice to make it 2, 4, or 6 counts long. وزكريا ويحيى وعيسى وإلياس كل من الصالحين. ومخرج of vowel circle in your lips, fatha open jaws. Is Hamza is sharp, for kasra give e sound attached with sin. Sin will get sepa of rakhawa. It is light and it has safir. Is ma, two counts long. Ain from your throat, make it two counts long. La, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Wal, makhraj of vowel circle in your lips, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sepa of tawassut. Ya is light, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Sa, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Wa, makhraj of vowel circle in your lips, for fatha upon jaws. You, is light, make it two counts long, and for dhamma, circle lips. No, for dhamma, circle lips, the sound is short. Sa, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Wa, makhraj of vowel circling your lips, fatha upon jaws. Lu, for dhamma, circle lips, make it two counts long. And fathatain is coming, so you are making it mad. Ayat. You are exchanging the sound of tanween into long two counts mad. So this is called mad ayat. Mad ard mad ayat. This is mad ayat. ومخرج of واو circling your lips, fatha open jaws. كل for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sipa off. توسط. لا. This is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light. So keep your tongue straight, and your tongue should be ready to say the letter fa. La. Fa. Fa. For fatha upon jaws attached with dot. Dot will get sifa of rukhawa. And it has istatala, and it is heavy. Fad. 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 Can you hear my sound of istatala? Fad. ضل, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. فضل. Na is two counts long. Ain from your throat, for fatha upon jaws. Lal, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. Ain from your throat, make it two counts long. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Meen. Because of this waqf, you're giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mad arid lisakun. And mad arid lisakun can be two counts long, can be 4 counts long, and can be 6 counts long. وإسماعيل واليسع ويونس ولوطا وكلا فضلنا على العالمين وكلا فضلنا على العالمين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب